What's up? What's up? Good morning, everybody. We're here to talk and trade a little bit. Market is looking a little shaky, but we're gonna fix that in just a second. Well, we're not gonna fix that. Hopefully, the market will fix that. And we get to take a look at what is going on. Let me quickly get on YouTube. See, by the way, I hosted a watch party yesterday on Bitcoin dropping below 30,000. A lot of you, of course, tapped out. I want to say around midnight, but we did see Bitcoin drop below 30,000, and that is on the live feed. So it's quite interesting actually to see that and to capture that on film. Bitcoin now is below 30,000. First time in a very long time, in my opinion. And that's something that we're looking at for sure right now. Okay, just need to set up a few things and then we are good to go. How is everybody? Are you guys looking at TRCH? Are you looking at AMC? What are you guys looking at? Tell me what you guys are looking at and let's make this happen for everybody. Good morning, good morning. It's a little pre-market. We're getting ready to start trading. Are we gonna trade today? I believe we may be trading today. We are gonna look at a couple of trades. Yes, indeed we are. What's up? What's up? Good morning, good morning. I'm excited to be here today. I don't know if you guys, can you guys see my portfolio? Are you able to see the portfolio? I just want to make sure that everything is covered before we actually start making some money moves. All right, so I think I need to click here. And then I need to click here. Okay, we're ready. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. NNDM prediction is sideways for a little bit. Is there any news that I'm unaware of? We can take a look at NNDM in just a second. It is a large portion of this portfolio, so you know. What's up? What's up? Clove? Clove is Clove on anybody's radar anymore? I mean, long term, yeah, it's great, but I think Clove had the run up. At what price are you in Cloves, Steven? That would, I guess, be the question. Because I don't know if Clove is really on anybody's radar, to be honest, anymore. It's definitely no longer on my radar. Actually, let's take a look at when we exited Clove. We exited Clove quite early because Clove did end up going up much higher. As you can see, we sold Clove off at $18.42. That was the bulk of our position, I guess. And then we entered Clove back on June 14th at $14.52 and then exited back on $15.44. So long term, Clove is looking good. I don't think it's going to be a day trade play for me just yet. So I mean that's what Clove is looking like for me. Right now, the trades that I am personally looking at, large caps, of course, because market is a little unstable. So I think your best bet is something like, for example, probably like Apple. AMD is looking good. Facebook is looking good. I like Facebook. What else? MBIO, of course, you guys know that I'm in that. Tilray, I'm in that. PLTR, I'm in that. Twitter, I don't know. And Wish. Let's take a look at Wish today, guys. I think Wish may be interesting, or there may be some type of an interesting opportunity in Wish. We could have gotten it literally a few days ago at $7, and it's doubled since. Look at that, guys. It's doubled since that. You know what? Let's take a look at Wish. It may be a good, interesting day trade for us. I think it is. Oh, it's back in the green. Okay, let's take a look at it. I'm going to hold on to Wish. I don't know if Robinhood really shares quantity. I don't think it does. Okay, I'm going to look at Wish. I'm not going to trade Wish just yet. I'm going to look at it and see if there's a trade or if there's some money to be made there. In the meantime, what I am going to look at is MBIO, because you guys know I love it and I do trade it. It's quite predictable. I am down about 7% in MBIO as of right now. You know what? I'm going to hold on. I'm going to hold on to my cash. I have about $30,000 in cash, which is going to increase very soon. But as of right now, it's $30,000. What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Are we ready to make some money? Let's take a look at also CNBC really quickly because I hadn't had time to really look at CNBC. Hold on, McDonald's, Tuesday, Nike, Netflix, auto repair changing live, why the market could be wrong about Federal Reserve interest rates, Chipotle tweaks its loyalty program to offer more. Interesting. This is quite interesting. I think this will really up the game for companies like Tinder. So I think this could be really interesting for sure. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's going on. After this, of course, we are going to be looking at. Oh, here you go. Look at that. Most active. Wish, AMC, Apple. There you go. See. So I would say for sure this is something that we can look at. Wish is extremely active right now. So, what time is it? 8:27. Let's take a look at Wish one more time, and see if maybe there is a trade to be made there. Should we take a chance on Wish? What do you guys think? Should we take a chance on Wish? How about BB? I was in BB a while ago. I think we made some money on BB. Let's take a look at BB and how we ended up with BB. It's at 12.72. We exited BB at 13.66. I do like the company long term. I think there is a trade to be made there. So long term, I do think BlackBerry is gonna do well. It's just that I don't know if it's something that I want to chase as of right now, especially today. So that's something that I'm waiting on. I think at this point it's just safer to say let's just wait for the market to open, and then we'll be able to figure out what's what really. Because as of right now, portfolio is down. Of course, as you guys know, I talk a lot of smack about crypto. I am invested in crypto here, and I do have other platforms where I'm invested in crypto. So I am losing all in all. I think if there's a good trade to be made, it is probably going to be in the crypto space. You chance it on Wish? I think I would. Yeah, I agree with you. I think I would chance it on Wish as well. But at this point, I would actually prefer waiting for the market to open and see in which direction to go. The volume on Wish is just insane. Actually, let's do this. I really need to get a better trading platform if I'm gonna continue doing this on a daily basis. By the way, I do realize that, guys, that I do need a better platform for sure. Maybe Webull. I've been talking about transferring to Webull for quite a bit. Haven't done it just yet, but I have been talking about it. So, okay. What time is it? Okay, we got about a minute to market open. Did I bring my cup of coffee? I believe I did. I may not have. Anyway, so we do have about a minute to market open right now, as of right now. Let's see how the market opens and where things end up for us. I do think Wish is are going to be one of our favorites for today. Plug. I don't know if you guys heard. Plug Power is being bought by Amazon. So that's something new. And there you go. Let's take a look at Wish. I think that may take from the Wish's hype. Okay, here you go. Market has officially opened. Wish is going down. I think this may be a good opportunity to get, or was a good opportunity to get into Wish. Let's see what is going on here with Wish. Okay. Let's look at AMC really quickly as well. Okay. AMC back to $54. Let's look at Facebook really quickly. AMC dropping. Facebook, wow. Facebook is doing amazing. Facebook, man, I should have bought a lot of Facebook. Okay, Apple also doing good, which is great. You know, I had those Apple calls. I wish I didn't sell them. I lost $10,000 in those options trading. And now it seems like it's going higher. Maybe I can recapture some of that sometime soon. What do I have that's in the green? I have a lot of stuff that's close to the green, but nothing in the green as of yet today. I have Helicity. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's take a look at Fubo real quick. Fubo tearing it up, man. Look at that. 5, yeah, Fubo definitely tearing it up, looking good. Those trades are looking spectacular. Things are looking good. So crypto, although down, everything else is looking good, and market's looking, decent. It hasn't looked this decent at least in a while, in a minute. Now, of course, that doesn't mean that we go ahead and open a bunch of positions. We still need to be careful. We are still in early hours of the market, but I am seeing Apple moving, and I'm seeing a lot of volume in Apple. So I think top 5 for the day. Look at that sell candle come right in. It's still moving upwards even with that sell candle. Nice gap there on Apple actually. And RSI is coming up. Let's take a look at where we may end up with Apple. Okay. All right. Okay, let's take a look at Triple D. We've traded in and out of Triple D. I can't remember whether it was in this portfolio or in another portfolio, but it was, well, it was pretty basic when we did trade in and out of it, but it is looking good all in all. It did move up quite a bit today. Let me see what I want to do. Do I want to get rid of my ARC positions? I have 2 ARC positions that are in the green. It would give me a lot of cash if I got out of them. Probably around $30,000 or so. Maybe even more than $30,000 if I got out of my ARC positions. Let me take a look how much I have here. I have $11,000 here, and it is in the green barely. So it might be a good time to look to getting out. And then ARC K, I have about 16. So maybe not 30, $27,000 total is how much cash I would free up if I got out of my ARC positions. Probably 30 if I got out of my Helicity positions as well, and then day traded with those. That would kind of be what we're looking at. Okay, guys, I think we're about to make our first trade here. Let's see what's going on here with Etsy. Wow. Okay, guys, we're looking. Etsy might be a good trade for us. Look at that huge, massive candle. Wow, that was a huge candle. I think we missed it. It's gonna cool down. Let's wait for Etsy and see if that was still in play, or if that's something that's still in play for us. Let's take a look at some of the crypto names while we're here. Man, some of these crypto names are dying. Okay, we're looking. What are you guys looking at? Hmm. Tesla at 625. Even Tesla is moving today, which is good, which is quite interesting. Um, This thing is moving. Okay. Hold on, guys. I just need to really quickly authenticate my account. Okay, so we just traded out of ARC-G, and I believe this I'm deciding to trade out of ARC-K just for now. It's at 120. Oh, here you go, sell all. I'm gonna be selling all my ARC-K and ARC-G because I wanna sit on a little bit of cash. So now you guys can see I'm sitting on quite a lot of cash. And this is where now trading is gonna start getting a little interesting. Okay, so Etsy is moving. Unfortunately, we did miss out on Etsy. Let's see what else we can trade on, if anything. Okay, we just bought some Husa. Alright, let's see what we got here with our day trade for the day. Okay, we are up on Husa already, $20. That's not bad, man. That's quite a big jump since we bought it. That's great. Finally making some bank. Let's take a look at SOXL and see where we are. Okay, we did add some SOXL as well, guys. Let's take a look at Wish really quickly. I know that we were trying to chase Wish, it seemed like. Yeah, I wish we had gotten in when we did. It's probably a good time to get out of Wish right now. Okay, Husa moving, SOXL not really. Helicity is moving as well. You know what? Let's get out of Helicity as well. Or you know what? I think we're gonna wait on Helicity to go up just a little more. I mean, we are in the green right now, so I'm not too worried. Let's wait for it to turn green for the day, and then let's try to get out of Helicity as well, when possible. Okay. What else do we have? What else can we trade? You know, I think it may be a good day to look at a little bit of large cap movement. Apple. Okay, let's take a look at Apple. If it dips to the 131s, maybe a good time to get into Apple for sure. Okay, let's see what's going on here, guys. I think we caught Husa at a great time. Um, let's take a look at BBIG. We were in BBIG, I want to say yesterday. Oh, it's trying for 5, man. It's going beyond 5 at this point. We exited BBIG at 456. I wish we held on to it. Let's take a look at Plug really quickly. Oh, wow. Look at that. That thing is moving. Let me take a look at CRSR. Interesting. I did not know that we were actually uh, SOXL moving red. Finally, FCell. We're still. We just bought FCell, by the way, and we are red so far in FCell. So that's something that we are looking at. Nice. This is nice, by the way, guys. This is nice. Okay, let's load up on some MBIO to cost average our way down, because this is the lowest it's been in some time. Hmm. CCIV heading down. We're gonna. I think we may get into CCIV. Just depends. We just bought FCell, HUSA, MBIO, and SOXL. I want to get into Tilray. You know what? What's up, everybody? I think Naked is an interesting brand for sure. I won't. Have you seen some of their of their products? Quite interesting, I must say. Okay, what are we losing on big time? CCIV, we're okay. It's not too big of a deal here. GHVI. Actually, GHVI, we've recovered quite a little bit since we got into them. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay. Let's get into MoneyGram at $10.04. That's where we bought it at. Helicity green, Husa green, MoneyGram red, FCell red, MBIO red. Those are our purchases for as of right now. Okay. Let's look at Clove. I know that someone talked about Clove just earlier. There you go. Look at that. Who talked? Clove just having a crazy move today. Breaking out. Okay, let's wait on Clove for just a second. See, it is trying to touch 13, so let's see what that's all about. Man, Bitcoin is down 20%. Bitcoin heading down to probably that 22, probably to that 22 range. All right, guys. I think we need to get out of this trade fairly soon. I think we made enough money for one day on Husa. Okay, let's just stick in it for another minute. Let's see what's going on there. And try to figure out what's going on there. Okay, let's take a look at Apple. Apple once again, 131, looking good. Okay, all right, guys. Gold. Let's check gold. What's the ticker symbol for gold that you want me to check? Is it the GLD? Helicity holding up. Husa holding up. Let's take a look at Etsy. Because if Etsy cools down a little bit, we may be able to jump into it. Man, Etsy is looking like it's just gonna keep going. Doesn't look like it really wants to relax over here. The RSIs are definitely running hotter than I would have liked. So should I jump into Etsy? What do you guys think? 174. Opened up at 170. We're already up $4, 2%, which is a big jump for Etsy in my opinion. Going back, taking a look at Wish. We're back in the 1370s. Where did I sell Wish at? 11. Man, I wish I held on to it. That would have been some easy money in my pocket. Let me take a look at MGI really quickly. I believe we bought into MGI somewhere around the bottom probably. Let's take a look at where we are gonna end up with MGI. Okay, so not too bad, not too bad. I'm gonna hold on to Husa a little longer. Take a look at what's going on. All right, guys, I'm gonna be trading in the background. I'll give you guys updates as I buy and sell stuff in the communities tab, or try to keep it as updated as possible. I also need to go check out some of my real estate today, so I may be away from my desk. I may decide to film a vlog. I want to show you guys what type of work I'm working on the back end. I haven't really decided that at this point, but either way, I am going to be updating you guys later today with the portfolio video. We're going to do an update. As you guys can see, we're about 129,000 and we are exactly 30 minutes into trading. So hopefully that gets better and I have a better update for you guys on the other end. I'll see you guys very soon, hopefully end of day. And then we are going to go live at the end of today, just monitoring Bitcoin.